Okay, so if you saw the service work which went into this Mustang 3000, you'll see it's quite extensive because it's a set which was donated to us as a scrap set with the hope we could resurrect it and then sell it on for funds towards the repeater. So that I've been able to do at this stage. I still need to change the internal speaker, which proved out to be open circuit. So we're running it on the extension speaker right from the get-go. I'm going to use a standard replacement mic, and hopefully we've got everything in the right position. On-off volume, squelch, tone, RF gain, whatever reason delta tune, don't even go there. And on these you don't get the red LED or the lamp coming on in transmit like you do on the lower one. Instead you get a TX light, and you get the permanent Roger bleep. So we're using a standard replacement mic. Here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, off we go.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio I've got a tone control.
Right, we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place and passing doggy daycare, which for a change is good enough.
We'll keep it at the top. Oh well, there you are. There you are, a change these days. It's the most populated picnic table in the area.
Roger, can you get rid of that bleep?
Negative.
Right, it's probably a Mustang then, and I think I know which Mustang it is.
Yeah, we did 1,000 last video actually, and this is a 3,000. It's the one that the viewer kindly gave us, which we went on that road trip to near Grimsby to collect over.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're past the end of the lane, etc.
Yeah, because I was rabbiting.
Roger.
Place and passing doggy daycare, which for a change has got nobody in it.
To near Grimsby to collect over.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're past the end of the lane, etc.
Yeah, because I was rabbiting.
Service station, and no surprises, it's closed.
I'm not surprised at this time. With Samson Wallage removed the ballast resistor on this, the radio was doing 150 milliwatts without that, well, 27 megs it was, and smoke was coming out of it.
It sounds like it was doing about 6 watts on something else.
Yeah, usually airbag. Hello, can you hear my TV?
Roger. Right, we're square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads to do with a Mustang 2000 now to complete the lineup.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger diddly dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. So I'm on
So on a Mustang 3000 that you've been discussing is the Sabinette 002 F chassis. These are all these genuine article made in Japan. And you bring a full forward. The output and I'm on a standard replacement cockpit mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
What's in the job done?
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you good level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger.
I'll tell you now that low power on this is factory set and it's just 250 milliwatts over.
Roger that. Why is it going to work, is it?
Yeah.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over. No, we're not. Not going anywhere. I'm square wheeled and we're at the 5 mile point.
You can tell it's late, can't you? Right. On this Mustang 3000 doing a full forward output and I'm on standard replacement mic. You're registering 1.4 amps to do that. I'm going to go to low power. It's set to 250 milliwatts. Here goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, no problems on full power, but low power, you were absolutely, radio zero.
Yep, okay. I'll be when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Didn't get the passing the webcam, did we? Because it's just gone flat.
Oh, right. Did it start recording?
We've been recording up until this point.
Right, well, we'll, I don't know what to say. We'll have to carry on without the picture of the car over.
Yeah, I mean, the test's nearly done, so that's that.
Yeah, we'll go over to my view then from the workshop.
All right, right, we're on the minute.
Roger Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie when I'm going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 136.9 and 142.7.
Okay, that worked fine. Thank you very much. And 1010.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Okay, so you saw what happened there. The camera ran out, so we ended up back on this picture and a bit of editing. And we'll go over to base station, see what that sounds like. And thank you to that viewer for donating it. It's taken, you know, we do these videos and they're often 40 minutes to an hour, but it was actually 4 hours work on that.
Tango 21 testing the Mustang CB3000 into our Midland 76900 base station using standard replacement mic. Here we go, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll leave it to that. Thank you for watching, and we've got a Maxcom 7E that's on its way in the post, but we do have other sets as well.